Aloha folks, so today we're going to learn 4 chords, and with these chords, when you start mixing them up in different orders and different timings, I'd say you can play about 90% of songs. So let's begin. So before we begin, we always make sure that our ukulele is tuned, so go ahead and check out my video on how to tune our ukulele, but we'll review real quick. Top string, G, C, E, A. And we want to put our ukulele on our lap and make sure it's nice and comfortable and touching our body so it's nice and secure. And then we're going to take our right hand, we're going to bend our first finger, our pointer finger, we're going to turn our hand and rest the top of the nail on the top string. And we're just going to go down like this. And we're going to do this several times. And you want to make sure that your downstrokes are even. Now that we're comfortable with our right hand strumming, we're going to take our left hand and start making some chords. So we'll put our left hand underneath the neck and we'll put it at an angle. And you want the neck in between your first finger and your thumb. And it's resting in that wedge area. Okay, so we'll start making chords. And for a side note, it will be a little bit easier if your nails are shorter. Now it's possible to play with long nails, but it will be a lot easier if your nails are shorter. So let's start making our first chord. Our first chord is the C chord. So we'll take our ring finger of our left hand, our third finger, we'll go all the way to the bottom string, which is the A string, and we're going to count to the 3rd fret like this. 1, 2, 3. And you want to make sure you're using your fingertip and you're pinching that string firmly and tightly to get a good sound. And then we use our right hand to strum from top to bottom. And here's our C chord. We'll do it 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our second chord is our G6 chord, and we're going to use 2 fingers with this. So first, we'll take our middle finger, second finger, we'll go to the bottom string again, and we're going to count to the 2nd fret, like this. 1, 2. Then we're going to add our first finger, we're going to put it above the middle finger, but we're going to skip 1 string on the C string, and we're going to go to the 2nd fret as well. 1, 2. So pinch this tightly, like that. So if you feel that you're not making a good sound, what you want to do is you want to push your wrist a little bit forward and curl your finger a little bit more so you're not touching any of the other strings accidentally. We'll do this 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go to our next chord, which is our A minor chord. We'll take our middle finger again, our second finger. This time we'll go all the way to the top string, that's our G, and we'll count to the 2nd fret, like this. 1, 2. And we'll start to play. This is our A minor chord. We'll do this 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do our last chord. Our last chord is the F chord, and the F chord looks like the A minor. So let's go back to our A minor position. We'll go to the top string with our middle finger, count to the 2nd fret. 1, 2. That's our A minor. Now to make our F, we're going to add our first finger. We're going to skip 1 string down, and that's going to be our E string, and we're going to be on the 1st fret. Let's start. So this is our F chord. 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that we know all our chords, let's try them all together. And we'll start with C. And we're going to begin. 1, 2, ready, go. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, G6, 1, 2, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you get comfortable enough switching in between chords, you can start mixing up the order and mixing up the timing so that your finger dexterity will improve and you can start playing a whole bunch of songs. But we'll do several right now, and here's the play along. So we'll start with our C and we'll go slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. You done me and you bet I felt it. Tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back. For the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon it's again my turn to some or learn some. Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? I'm paying with love tonight. Ain't about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. No one, no one, no one can get in the way of what I'm feeling. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. So if you don't feel that your chords are clear or they're not sounding as good, you want to go through each string one by one, making sure they're clear. So if they're not, it can be either one of 3 things. The first thing is that you are not pinching the string hard enough or tightly enough. The second thing is that you're not in the fret space. Sometimes you're going to be on the fret bar, but you don't want to be on the fret bar. You want to be in the space. The third and last is that you might be touching some other strings with some other part of your hand. So what you want to do is use more of your fingertip and maybe push your wrist out a little bit more to clear those strings. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, go ahead and leave this in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the next video and the best and easiest strum that you can learn on the ukulele. And then once you put that strum and the chords together, you can start making beautiful music and start having a lot of fun. Till next time, aloha.